Hey everybody, this is James with Vermont Homesteading, and today I want to talk about a grow tent. Our grow tent. It's a simple, highly productive, heated grow tent that we created for starting our vegetables inside, since we live in a small space and we have a short growing season here in the state of Vermont. So let's check out this grow tent. This grow tent is 4 feet wide by 2 feet deep by 5 feet tall. And it is a Mylar grow tent that you can get for $75. We'll post the link into the description if you want to purchase this grow tent. So we bought this grow tent, and then we bought LED shop lights. These are $30 LED shop lights, 4-foot LED shop lights. And we have 6 of them. These are our main growing lights for the grow tent. Because we live in a small apartment and we have a short growing season in our state, we needed to devise a way to grow our vegetable starts very productively before the season begins, so that we're ready to plant out as soon as the weather turns in our favor. So in order to accomplish that, we had to purchase heated seedling mats. And these trays you see here, and these trays down here, are sitting on heated mats by the company Jumpstart. And each heated mat is thermostatically controlled. This one has fallen. You can get these heated mats for about $65 a piece, and they work phenomenally. They're made by Jumpstart, and we'll post a link in the description for you to check those out if you're interested. So with the heated seedling mats in the grow tent, we have a 4-foot folding table that we got from Walmart that supports our main level of seedlings. This thermostatically controlled seedling mat allows you to set the temperature of your trays to a desired amount. For example, we have ours set to 68, and the soil is, as you can see, at a temperature of 65.3 right now. So the temperature of the soil is monitored by a probe, as you can see here, that sticks into the soil, and as the temperature comes up, the thermostat will regulate the energy going to the heated mat to bring your soil to an optimal temperature. We also purchased 2 desktop fans by Comfort Zone, and these fans help keep fresh air moving through the grow tent when it's closed. The grow tent has 2 large panel doors that zip in the center, and when it's closed up tightly and running, we maintain a temperature of about 70 degrees inside the grow tent and normal humidity. It's not too dry or too wet, and it actually works out perfect for our starts. As you can see here, there's a simple shelf. This one I built out of aluminum, and I just used some hose clamps to attach some brackets to the legs of the table, and that allows me to suspend this shelf for storing germinating seeds that don't yet need the light. So the whole setup runs on a timer. We have a timer that runs our lights. These run our lights to our desired time. And then we have a surge protector that runs all the time runs the heated mats and the desktop fans. The total price to put this setup together is just over $500 because the heated mats are about $65 a piece. The thermostats are $40. Those are sold separately. And you can get these lights on Amazon for about $30 a piece, and we have 6 of them. Plus the table's another $40, and the grow tent's $75. So you're looking about just over $500 to get yourself a nice, efficient, simple grow setup for growing inside small spaces where you need a high productivity for your seedlings and for your starts. At this point, we've moved a few of our trays upstairs and some out into the greenhouse as the season opens up for us and it warms up. But for the last 8 weeks, 4 to 8 weeks, we've had great, tremendous success, and for the last 2 years, growing our starts in this grow tent with the cheap LED shop lights, a fan, couple fans, and the heated seedling mats. So there you have it, a simple heated grow tent for small spaces and high productivity. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and stick around for more from Wild Apple Farm. Thanks a lot. Bye.